Oh, it's a video. It's a video. Thought it was a picture for a second. That's alright. What's going on YouTube? It's Monet here with another video for you, and this time I just wanted to say Happy New Year's and welcome you guys into 2020 and back to my channel. I'm gonna switch things up a little bit and make things fun and more interactive. I really want to build a community of people who are like-minded, strong-minded, and who are just really into their fitness journey, educational journey, wellness journey. I really want to begin that, and it all starts within myself, and I took it upon myself to start a challenge, 6 months of dedication, hard work, and perseverance. So I couldn't leave you guys out because I really want you guys to join me on this journey. You guys have been so engaging with me and 100,000,000% supportive. I want you guys to do this with me and hold each other accountable as we do this. 6 months of hard work, dedication, perseverance, writing down our goals and going after them every single day with a purpose and faith, and going through it and just truly believing that we can be wherever it is that you want to be, I want to be, wherever it may be. Just really going at it and having the most faith in ourselves and believing that we can do it 120%. Surrounding yourself with people who are like-minded and on that goal. I'm making a decision today to just go after it, be a part of it, be a part of the community I love so much, and serve that community. I want you guys to really engage with me here on this channel as we do this 6 month journey together. Tell me what videos you want to see, what meal preps you guys want to do. I really want to be more accessible to you guys and just make this YouTube channel flourish. So let me know down in the comments below, and also if you're going to join me in the 6 months challenge of just getting to know ourselves more, being grateful, and going at our goals full throttle with no vengeance and letting no one or anything stop us. We have to believe 120% that we could do this. I know that I can. I've made a decision. I've already wrote it down. I've actually been listening to Earl, Nightingale, The Strangest Secret. You can listen to that here. I'll make sure to leave the link below so you can tune in. I've been listening to that. I've been doing the task that he put at hand for us. This has been around for a while, so this is nothing new. I just really started to go at it, and I've done this challenge before and I've fallen back, and then I'll get back into it. But this time I really made a decision. Nothing indecisive. I took some time to think on it, to pray on it, just to meditate on it, and just really figure it out. And I decided 120% back, being in the health and wellness industry, adding on that entertainment twist, being able to give people knowledge of purpose and mindfulness and different exercises and meal plans, that is extremely 125% all that I want to do. That is the effort and the work I'm going to put in. So I had to make the decision. I had to be like the other 5% of people who get up every day, have changed their lifestyles, and is doing it for the better. I decided to do that for myself. I really want you guys to join me on this 6 month journey of just going in, going ham, going crazy, having fun, doing what we want, living our life, skydiving, whatever you want to do, whatever it may be. Let's just do it. Conquering it, losing those pounds, getting into your diet more, reaching out to an old family member, an old friend, whatever the case may be, righting our wrongs, and then writing a new story. I am 100% for it. I want us to be fantastic in 2020. Fantastic. And it all starts right here, right now. So if you want to share this with a friend, please, the more the better that we can get on this train, get this thing balling and rolling. Let's do it, okay? So send this to a friend, share everywhere, and let's just build a community of like-minded individuals. I'm gonna be checking in with you guys, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, okay, and Twitter, so we can keep up. I really want to engage with you and get this journey going. Like, there's so much going on in 2020. I can't wait for you guys to see the projects that I'm gonna be dropping out for you guys, and just everything. It's going to be an amazing, fantastic time. So make a promise to yourself right here today that we're going to go after it. You're not going to let anything stop you, and to remember that we are in a land full of diamonds. It's all ours if we just ask for it. If we ask for it, it's gonna be given to us. So let's just go for it. I am here for you guys. I want you guys to join me. So subscribe to my channels for more videos like this, more encouragement, more motivation, and just more accountability. I'm Monet, and I'm gonna see you guys here every week. Oh, and by the way, I've committed to something else. YouTube is going to be every week. I'm going to release a video every week. It's going to be on Fridays, okay? 5 p.m. Pacific time. So what is that? 8 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to hold myself accountable to have these videos out for you guys every week, whether it's a workout, whether it's motivation, whether it's something like this. It is going to be done, I promise you. So every Friday 5 p.m. is where I'm going to release new videos weekly for you guys. So hold me accountable. I really want you to. Seriously, I really want you to. So if you like it, make sure you like this video. Join me. Let me know down in the comments that you are joining me, that you've sent it to a friend, whatever the case may be. I definitely want to know. I'm gonna see you guys right back here for another video. Later, Gators.